Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about Clickbank mindset, but this can also apply to any affiliate marketing business. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And I will do mindset training from time to time. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And I wanted to share with you 12 key attributes of a 4%er that I am learning from the 4% challenge that I'm going through again. And what these are, well, what is a 4%er? 4%er is someone who actually achieves their goals. Out of 100% of people, 96% will never reach their goals. And there's a number of reasons for that, but 4% are the people who actually do achieve their goals. And number one attribute is that they have a clear vision of the future that they want to create. I see so many people coming online, starting a business, they have no idea what their goals are. I mean, it may be very vague goals, but you have to have a very clear vision of that. You want to write it down, what your goals are, refer to your goals several times a day. So that's number one. Number two, never complain about anything you can't change or are unwilling to change. This is actually The Millionaire Maker is a book that I read by Mark Victor Hansen. And The Millionaire Maker is you put a rubber band around your wrist and you try to go, you try to go 24 hours without thinking or without complaining. And it just can really change your life because you think about how many times do you complain throughout the day. And for most people, it's a lot. Number three, learn something new today that will take you closer to your goal tomorrow. So constantly be learning and growing. That's something that the 4%er would do. Number four is to break a sweat every day through physical exercise. Emotion is created by motion. This unlocks great ideas, creativity, and genius. A lot of times you'll hear that somebody had a great idea as they were working out because your mind is kind of idle. And then, of course, the health benefits of working out are super important. Number four. Number five, give away that which you want to give more of. So if you want to get more money, you want to give money away. The Greatest Money-Making Secret in the World by Joe Vitale, that was it. If you want more money, give away some, even if it's just a small amount. Okay, give some away. Number six, don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. If there's some kind of tool that would do the job the best way, do that. Don't be cheap on your greatness journey. Number seven, simplify everything. Number eight, don't settle for good enough. Strive to achieve excellence in everything that you do. And I think the quote, how you do anything is how you do everything, that's how I do everything. I do everything. I give it my all. And so that's a great way to live. Don't be busy, be effective, efficient, and productive. Each day you should have a list of things to accomplish. I know I can only market very, very late at night into the early morning. And I have what's called my daily method of operation. I have certain things that I do and I check them off and I won't go to bed until I get them finished. But that way I'm not just busy surfing around not knowing what I need to do. And I just can get it done very quickly that way. Number 10 is take responsibility for everything. Be in control and make things happen. Don't blame. Don't play the blame game that this person isn't doing this, so this isn't going to work out for me. Just take personal responsibility for everything that you do. Number 11 is lead by example. So don't ever ask or expect someone to do something that you're not willing to do yourself. And that goes for, I believe, if you're trying to sell a product, I personally think you should own it before you try to sell it to someone else. Because if you're not willing to spend the money yourself, then it's difficult to sell that to someone else. Number 12 is a great affirmation. I'm destined for greatness. Success is my responsibility. I can achieve anything I put my mind to. So I think these are really important attributes, again, of a 4%er. And this can apply as you are building a Clickbank marketing business, an affiliate marketing business. And Vic Streithus, he is a multiple $1 million earner. Any industry and any company that he joins, he just dominates it from the very beginning. Now, it wasn't always like that. Of course, he had humble beginnings, but this is the only internet marketing training that I've taken that he talks about mindset. That's really not talked about a lot, and that is the huge emphasis of the 4% challenge. So I just wanted to share this with you. I thought it was very important, these 12 attributes. Hopefully you found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're new to the channel, normally I do talk about Clickbank and product reviews and things like that. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you want to learn more about that. If there's any topics that you want me to cover, make sure you leave a comment below this video. And also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can take a look at that if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.